Becoming a civil engineer involves a combination of education, skill development, and experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you on the path to becoming a civil engineer. 1. Complete your high school education. Subjects to focus on: mathematics, algebra, geometry, calculus, physics, chemistry, and computer science. Good performance in these subjects will help you build a strong foundation for the technical aspects of civil engineering. 2. Earn a bachelor's degree in civil engineering. Enroll in a bachelor's program. Look for accredited universities or colleges offering civil engineering programs. Core subjects: you will study subjects like structural analysis, materials science, fluid mechanics, geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, transportation engineering, and construction management. Duration: a bachelor's degree typically takes 4 years. Internships/co-op programs: gain practical experience through internships during your undergraduate years. This helps you apply theoretical knowledge to real-world problems and strengthens your resume. 3. Obtain necessary licenses/certifications. Fundamentals of Engineering (FE) exam. After completing your bachelor's degree, the next step is usually to pass the FE exam, also known as the Engineer in Training or EIT exam. This exam tests your understanding of fundamental engineering principles. Engineer in Training (EIT). Once you pass the FE exam, you'll become an EIT. This is a prerequisite to gaining your Professional Engineer (PE) license. Professional Engineer (PE) license. After working as an EIT for a few years, typically 4 years, you can take the PE exam. Passing the PE exam grants you the authority to work as a licensed professional engineer, which is important for career advancement. 4. Gain work experience. Entry-level jobs. After graduation, you will likely begin as a junior or assistant engineer, where you will work under the supervision of a licensed PE. Specializations. Depending on your interests, you may work in areas such as structural engineering, transportation engineering, geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, or construction management. Networking. Join professional organizations, such as the American Society of Civil Engineers, ASCE, to network and stay updated on industry trends. 5. Pursue advanced education, optional. Some civil engineers choose to pursue a master's degree, MS or ME, in civil engineering or a related field to specialize further in a specific area, conduct research, or increase career prospects. A master's degree may also help you qualify for roles in academia or high-level project management. 6. Stay updated and continue learning. Professional development. Civil engineers must continually update their skills and knowledge due to the constant advancements in technology, regulations, and practices. Certifications. There are additional certifications in areas like project management, e.g., PMP, or specific civil engineering subspecialties, e.g., structural design or environmental sustainability. 7. Career opportunities. Civil engineers can work in various industries including construction, infrastructure, government agencies, and consulting firms. With experience, you can advance to roles like project manager, senior engineer, or director of engineering. By following these steps, you can build a successful career as a civil engineer, contributing to the design, construction, and maintenance of infrastructure.